Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing DJI Mini 3 Pro with RC. This is the upgraded model 2022 and it has the separate remote control where you can see all the live footage. You don't need to use your mobile phone and all that, so you can save the mobile battery. And let's see what's inside the box and how does it looks like and how it is a improvement over DJI Mini 2. And also I will be posting some of the sample videos also. If you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Guys, let's see what's inside the box. So let's see what's inside the box. I'm very excited. So this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Very compact and mini. Looks like a toy. So this is the one, and this is the remote control. And this is the beautiful remote control, so you don't need to use your mobile, and pretty much. And this is some of the accessories it has. So this much is pretty inside the box. So this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, and these are the extra propellers, and this is the screwdriver, some drone instruction booklets, and this is the RC and some quick start guide. And lastly, this is the charging cable. So pretty much this is inside the box. So please see my other videos on my YouTube channel regarding how to set up, and also some of the sample videos and what special you can do with this drone. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.